It's 6:45. It's time to wake up. So yeah, let's start by fresh up. So yeah, now it's time for some study. I usually study around for 1 hour, but today I have some time, so I will study till 8:30. Today I learned some basic of CSS, make some project from HTML. So when I recording this video, I had already completed almost last part of CSS from अपना college YouTube channel. Now only I have 2 hours left to complete the CSS part. Maybe on the next time I will become uploading video on some of the project which I have already made through HTML and CSS. Now it's already time for college, so now let's pack our bag. I put some notebook and obviously airport, it is must for college. Now let's see our outfit for today. So I will be wearing today a blue jeans and a black check shirt. This is my outfit for today. I forgot to take my clip vertically. Now let's get going. So I study in the Integral University's second year BCA student. I know this video is late. The reason is I procrastinated very much and also get distracted. I am thinking of deleting Instagram. What do you say about this step? Tell me in the comment. So today I have not much class, only 3 class and 1 lab. The 3 class are continuous class. And my first class is of software engineering project management. In this subject we are learning how does the software and project are made and what is the concept behind building. And my second class start from 9:50 to 10:40. And in second class today we have web development class where we are learning about web page today. After that we have to go to the other room, and my third class start from 10:40 to 11:30. So third class is about fundamental of database management system and also known as DBMS, where we learn about how to interact with data and how to create our data table. Now I have free time from 11:30 to 12:40, and I am also very hungry because I haven't eaten anything from morning. So now let's grab our lunch. So I have joined mess and let's see what they have made today. Today is veg biryani, which I don't like much because it tastes like pulao. Anyway, I eat it because I have to fill my stomach. After having lunch, let's go for lab. So the lab is starting from 12:40 to 2:20, almost for 2 hours. So today lab is about Java programming. We do our coding in the Notepad and I got 0 error and my code executed successfully in my first try. After finishing all classes, let's go to our PG. Today I don't get much free time, or else I would have gone to library and utilized my free time. So yeah, thank you for watching my video and don't mind my bed. It's all messy because I was getting late in the morning for class. If you like my video, make sure to like and subscribe.